Hey guys, so on this assignment, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read this article. Excuse me. So I would suggest opening it up in DocHub or Cami because Google Docs, when you open up in Google Docs, it always messes up the formatting and it's a nightmare. So don't do that. Okay, so Cami and DocHub should offer you the option of going through and highlighting things. So what I would do is if you see anything important, highlight it, okay? So this article is comparing beavers, and part of it is comparing it beavers to humans because it talks about how beavers are the only known animal to be able to create a wetland habitat. So other than humans, they are the only mammals that can actually create a new ecosystem by themselves. So they're pretty amazing. And then it's going to talk about right here, this one right here is going to talk about them being an eager beaver. It's basically, they're busy all the time and they're very intelligent and masters of engineering. This one right here, paragraphs 4 and I believe paragraph 5, yes, are going to discuss the anatomical or the physical features of the beaver that allows it to do these jobs. So how their eyes have a special membrane so that they can see while they're swimming. Pretty awesome. It's like built-in goggles. It's going to talk about how they have really strong legs for swimming and how they have a tail for smacking down the mud and the branches. Talks about their humongous teeth, which allows them to chop down trees. Pretty impressive, even though they're herbivores. They only eat plants, but they have these humongous teeth. Right here, you're going to need to read this. I'm just summarizing, okay? This one right here, it's going to talk about how they build their own little ponds by the dam, stops the river, so it builds a pond area instead of a river or a stream. And so the new wetland has to adjust for all that extra new water. Right here, it's going to talk about a scientist who goes on a trip to scout out beaver pond sites to research them, and it's just going to talk about some of the things they see. So later on in this assignment, you're going to use this part, this reading, to build a food web. So I'll explain that again. I'll come back to that to help you. All right, that's video 1.